Marmalade iced tea is very refreshing, and when dispensed from a whipped cream dispenser, it makes a delicious bubbly tea foam. To make marmalade tea, scale into a 16-ounce wide mouth mason jar 5 grams of Earl Grey tea and 60 grams of orange marmalade. Then fill the jar with boiling hot water and quickly mix with a long bar spoon to help dissolve the marmalade. Allow the tea to steep for 4 minutes, then strain through a fine sieve to remove any solids, and pour into a half-liter sized whip dispenser and allow to chill completely. To charge the container, follow the manufacturer's instructions and make sure the seal is in good working order, and screw the lid on tight. Then charge the container with a cartridge of nitrous oxide gas that's made for the dispenser, and keep chilled until ready to use. To make a Nitro Marmalade Tea, fill an 8-ounce mason jar with ice, then give the canister a good shake and invert it upside down over the glass. Point the nozzle and gently squeeze the trigger, then let the bubbles do their thing and top up to create a nice head of foam.